This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I am at the Florida State Fairgrounds for opening day of the 2025 Tampa Bay Summer RV Show. The 2025 Tampa Bay Summer RV Show is officially open, and the Florida State Fairgrounds is packed with excitement. The sun is shining, the RVs are gleaming, and people from all over are here exploring everything this show has to offer. If you've been thinking about getting into the RV lifestyle or upgrading your current rig, this is the place to be. There are hundreds of brand new RVs on display from 10 of the top local dealerships. You can walk right in, explore every layout, sit in the driver's seat, and imagine where the road could take you. Every type of RV is represented here. Class A motorhomes with spacious floor plans and high-end features. Class B camper vans that make weekend getaways effortless. Class Cs and Super Cs with bunks and plenty of room. Fifth wheels, toy haulers, waterproof travel trailers, destination trailers, teardrops, and truck campers. They're all here and ready for you to tour. This show is more than just RVs. It's a full experience for anyone who loves to travel, camp, or just dream about freedom on the open road. Along with the RVs, there are trucks, motorcycles, and these impressive custom haulers that can handle the largest fifth wheels with ease. You'll find models perfect for towing, off-roading, or pairing with your adventure setup. Walk through the vendor booths and you'll discover RV solar power solutions, RV accessories, services, and RV resorts, just to name a few. With 36 RV lifestyle vendors, whether you're just getting started or you've been RVing for years, there's something new to learn or try. You can even ask about financing, trade-ins, and show-only deals. The atmosphere here is fun and relaxed. Families are walking through RVs together, couples are discussing their road trip plans, and everyone is enjoying the chance to see so many models all in one place. If you're not sure what kind of RV is right for you, this is the perfect event to explore your options without pressure. Don't forget to stop by the iPad booth and enter the daily door prize drawing. It's free to enter, and we'll be giving out a $100 gift card daily. If you've never been to an RV show before, now is the time. It's a great way to spend the day, even if you're just browsing. You'll leave inspired, full of ideas, and maybe even ready to start a new chapter of your life on the road. The Tampa Bay Summer RV Show only happens once a year, and it's the only multi-dealer RV show this summer in Tampa. Whether you're dreaming of weekend getaways, cross-country adventures, or finding a new way to spend quality time with your family, your journey starts right here. The 2025 Tampa Bay Summer RV Show is being held August 19th through 22nd at the Florida State Fairgrounds. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click on the show link on the homepage. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.